shells off our shrimp, so we're going to move that off to the side. I'm going to turn our front burner up to about 5 or 6. We're going to put a pan on. Our potatoes are now starting to boil, so we're going to put a cover on, and then we're going to measure out a tablespoon of oil. We're going to swirl our oil around so it completely covers the bottom of the pan, and then just a little bit up on the side. Our garlic is a little bit tougher. Our ginger is a little bit tougher than our garlic, so we're going to put that in first. Plus, it'll take a lot longer for ginger to burn than it will for garlic. So we're going to start with that. We'll let that toast. Then we're going to go ahead and put our garlic right on top of that. And we're going to go ahead and saute this for about 30 seconds to a minute, or until about half of the oil has evaporated.